Blue Ridge, Georgia, surrounded by mountains, rivers, and streams. Fall is a perfect time to visit this area. From apple picking to waterfalls, there will be no shortage of things to do and see. We're here in Blue Ridge. Just made it to the cabin. Gonna do apple picking and go on a hike tomorrow. Got in a little bit late, but gonna enjoy ourselves this time.
This is wonderful. This cabin is so cute.
You like this cabin, Olivia?
Yes. So beautiful.
Nothing like waking up in the morning in the mountains. So beautiful right here. Look at all those fall colors. This is the view from our cabin. Today we're gonna take the girls to go apple picking. Then we're gonna go to Amicalola Falls. It's one of our favorite hikes. It's a beautiful waterfall there. So we're gonna just enjoy ourselves and just have a great time today. We're here at BJ Reese Apple Orchards. We always come here when we come to Blue Ridge. It's always a good time. They got plenty of activities for the kids. Oh yeah, look, I see wheelbarrows. Catherine, you see wheelbarrows? Yeah, get it. You pick that apple, Libby?
Can't get it.
No, you can get it. Go try it.
You want me to?
Yeah, you can get that. Ooh, you got that apple.
Branch.
You took the whole branch, Olivia.
Is this a good apple?
Catherine, are you helping out?
Can you help?
She's like, I'm picking with my eyes closed.
Yeah. Oh, that one's not good.
That's a rotten apple.
Is this one good, Lily?
No. That's a rotten apple, Catherine. Those are called crab apples.
Crab apples?
Yeah, crab apples. About to get on the wagon ride over here at BJ Reese.
Wagon ride. Wagon ride.
After apple picking, we ventured over to Amicalola Falls State Park, which is home to a 729-foot waterfall, which is the highest waterfall in the state of Georgia. This is called the Reflection Pool near Amicalola Falls.
For dinner, we stopped by Harvest on Main, which is our favorite restaurant to eat at in Blue Ridge. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel.